So there are some names. Salman Arithod, I don't know, but I just those who are just click their DPs and profile, so I can easily get them. Salman Arithod, Shabil Muhammad. But from this name there are some like KMS. I think there's short form or something else. And Midu Mon. I just copy this name from group, so that I think that someone will save from others name. Okay. Then Arifuddin BP, Mustafa Muhammad, Sohail MP, Afzal Roshan, Aslam PK, Muhammad Arshad, KMS. I don't know what is the full form of this KMS. So, then Anshad Aju, Sahal Shahaz, Mustafa Manakodan, Ajmal P, Abdus Salam, Sawad, Rauf MK, Yazin Muhammad, Muhammad Shibil, and Munawwar TK, and Muhammad Shahid. So total students who just joined the group are only 23 students. One more is remaining. So who is that? So just say him to just join us. Because yeah, one more thing that you have to keep in your mind, if I will give you something homework or something like assignment or something else, so you should write and you should complete that, and after that don't waste, keep that with you. After coming to campus you should bring that. So by this assignment you will get the present or whatever that are the requirements and instructions, so you have to just follow that. Okay, that's it.